Alright, thought I'd give you a little picture of my commute home. About 3 o'clock here in the afternoon. All the local weather people are advising folks to get home by 4 o'clock or so. Evidently the worst of it's going to hit about then. So, kind of get a picture of what it looks like out here. Comes a snow plow right there. That's what that looks like. Gonna go over 57. So I can get a look at it. There's 57. From looking due north. Okay, I'm turning onto Main Street after going by the grocery store there just for a few minutes. Give you an idea what things look like here. Okay, gonna get another good look at a snow plow right up here. Coming around working. Place looks pretty well shut down. So okay, there's a little close-up shot of the front porch of my little humble abode. Right there. All right, I'm gonna take a little tour of Main Street here. This is after the big blizzard 2011 it's blown through. The family there out enjoying a little good food. There's the humble abode right there. The Walmart entrance there.